How to go live on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To go live on your Facebook, you need to head over and launch a Facebook app in your device. Make sure you are logged in. If you have not got yourself your Facebook app, you can launch your preferred browser and search for facebook.com. Now to go live on Facebook, at the top you will see what's on your mind. That is where you share all of your content. Tap on it. So over here you will see the option of live video. Click on this given option, after which you can select on some of this option right here. You can rotate your camera, add sticker, effect, enhance your video, as well as type in a text. You can even select where to share after your live has ended. You can select your audience as well by clicking on the audience section. Once you are done, just tap on the go live button. But if you wish to add another friend in your live, you can just tap on this person icon with a plus sign right here, and you can search for your friends or followers to join the live. Then just click on go live option and tap on go live once again for confirmation. It will give you a countdown, and just like that you are live right now on Facebook. So this is how you go live on Facebook. We hope you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.